students, welcome back to your online classes. So today we'll begin with chapter 7 and the name of the chapter is A House. Let's begin chapter 7, A House. A house. Like food and water, a house is also one of our basic need. Like food and water, a house is also our basic need. The way we need food and water, we also need house. It is also our basic need. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, insects, animals, thieves. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, insects, animals, thieves. We keep our belongings safe in our house. Whatever we own or things we have, we keep it in our house. Why? Because it is safe for us. When they were early man, they used to live in tree or caves. Slowly and gradually, they started building house. So today we all live in a house. There are two types of houses. There are two types of houses. Kacha house and Pakka house. Now let's see what is Kacha house. Kacha houses are made of mud, straws, sticks and leaves. They are made of mud, straws, sticks and leaves. They are very weak and do not last long. They are weak, so do not last long. If there is flood or if there is rain or if there is wind, they all get destroyed. And they are mostly found in or seen in villages. Now let's see what is Pakka house. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, iron and steel. They are mostly seen in towns and cities. And they are very strong and last long. So Pakka houses are very strong. Why? Because they are made of cement, iron, steel and brick. And these Pakka houses are mostly seen in town and cities. Nowadays, we also find Pakka houses in village. People who live in cities, they live in independent houses or multi-storied buildings. Multi-storied buildings are buildings in which there are many stories. And there are many flats and apartments in these buildings. People live independently in these houses. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings. They may have 100 stories. Some people or most of the people work and they settle at one place. But some people live in temporary house. Means they move from one place to another and they live in houses like caravan, tent, houseboats, etc. These people keep on moving from one place to another. Now let's see different types of temporary houses. First is caravan. Caravan is a house on wheels. It is movable and can be parked anywhere. It moves from one place to another because it has wheels and it can be parked anywhere. Then houseboats. Houseboats, they are houses which are found in boats. They float on water. People who live in Kashmir use these houseboats to live. Tents. Tent, it is made up of canvas. It can be easily put up and it can be easily taken away. These kinds of houses are mostly used by mountaineers, military and picnic campers. Why they use such kind of house? They use such kind of house because it can be easily carried to any place and it can be folded easily. So all the military picnic campers, mountaineers, they carry tent with them. So we have seen here three kinds of temporary houses: caravan, houseboats, tent. Caravan is house on wheels, houseboat floats on water, and tent, it is made up of canvas and is carried by mountaineers, military and picnic campers. Now let's see some more temporary houses. Igloo. Now our next temporary house is igloo. Those who live in cold regions. People living in cold regions, they use igloo. Igloo is a house of snow and ice. It is dome in shape. So those who live in cold regions, they live in igloo, and igloo is made of snow and ice. Igloo keeps them warm. That's why they build igloo. Stilt houses. Stilt houses are mostly seen at the places where it rains a lot and there is danger of flood. This house is built at height so that this water cannot reach inside the house. So they are built at height. And these houses are supported by wooden poles. Long wooden poles give support to such kinds of houses. So these were some temporary houses. Houses that are built in any place depend on factors like what building material is available there, what is the climate of that place, and what is the need of the people at that place. If people living in cold region, only snow is available to them, so they build igloo. If people are living in mountains or they are going for camping, they use tent. If people live at the place where it rains a lot, so they build stilt houses. Stilt houses because they are built at very height. So there is less danger of flood in such kind of houses. So climate of that place also affects the house. What people need to build that house. All these factors affect the house that are built at any place. That's all for today. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.